Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a video collage using the feature on CapCut. So select new project, and then you are going to select a lot of videos. I'm just going to use that and this. And then I'm going to select collage instead of add. And then you can choose between these formats which one you want. You'll have more options later on. You can also select ratio to change the ratio of your collage, but I'm just going to do one by one. Then I'm going to press continue. And that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!